Good morning everyone. This is Kendra Vidyalaya Gauri Vidno going live for the lottery of class 1. Earlier in the Facebook live at 10 o'clock we have shown you how the lottery will go. Like this was the lottery demo which we have showed, in which first we conducted RT lottery, then SGC, that is single girl child, then SC, ST, OBC differently abled, and then other service category lotteries. Now at 10:30 a.m. we will start with RTE lottery, that is first lot, then second lot which will be for differently abled SC lottery, that is scheduled caste lottery, then third lot which will be for differently abled ST category, then lot which will be for differently abled OBC non-creamy layer, then fifth lot will be differentially abled general OBC creamy layer. Then the sixth lot will be for service category 1 lottery, that is category 1 is central government employees. Then seventh lot is service category 2 lottery, which will be the central government autonomous bodies. Then the eighth lot will be for SC lottery, means the other candidates or students which have been left out in the earlier lots of SC for the remaining reserved seats of SC. Similarly, ST lottery, then the 10th lot will be OBC non-creamy layer lottery. Then we will come to 11th lot, which will be service category 3, which will be state government employees. Then the 12th, that is service category 4 lottery, which will be state government autonomous bodies employees. Then the 13th lot, which will be service category 5, that is for general public. In the last we will again conduct 14th lot, which will be special girl child. I hope you all has understood the process. Once again, please go through all these 14 lots one by one. RT differentially abled, SC, ST, OBC non-creamy layer, general OBC creamy layer, then service category 1, 2, then SC, ST lottery, OBC, service category 3, 4, 5, and then in the last single girl child lottery. On the screen you can see that we have conducted this dummy lottery at 10 o'clock, and these are the results.
Good morning, everyone. First of all,
KVS block, KVS
as per the
password क्या तो जल्दी बता.
all the things that we are doing online as well.
It is streaming, sir. Right now that's happening.
Before that, so many things
That please don't go for link, sir. Just open the Kendra Vidyalaya. So that will
transparent manner. We can do anything. That's why we arrange for live Facebook. Why? Because to avoid that gathering and this pandemic situation, coronavirus like this. So every parent can understand. So first of all, I will tell you some what is exactly going to be. We have
video
total Government of India, we have to follow that reservation policy. 10 seats reserved for RT Act, right to education. In that, all the SC candidates, all the ST candidates, all EWS, economic weaker section, all OBC, NCL, physically disabled disabled, and other things. They are included. So first we will conduct that lottery for RD 10 seats. After that, DLO, disabled candidate, if any. We have the one seat reserved for disabled people. Then, accordingly, category 1, central government employee, category 2, central government autonomous, other organizations, category 3, then state government, category 4, state government autonomous, and the remaining seat, if any, then go to the general public. Okay, so according to this, and SC, that 15% reservation given by the government of India. So out of 46, we have to give 6 people for SC candidate. Similarly, ST 7.5% reservation. Okay, 7.5% reservation. So 3 seat for SC. OBC and CN 27% reservation. So 11 seat for OBC. So accordingly, we will start. Time starting. Okay. That you have seen the demo lotteries. Everything. Accordingly, we will do. Sir, time is.
Yes, sir. 10:29 हो गया.
Okay.
As you all can see, this is the RT lottery. This lottery operation can be performed from 10:30 a.m. to 11:30, which will be open shortly. This is the eligible RT application list. We have got a total 79 number of applications under RT. These are the names.
Now we will request our DMC members, please.
It is in 2 pages.
Click the button.
Option तो है.
10 seat is there clearly. So total how many seats? 79.
Sir, please click this button, RT. You have to just left click. Left. This. नीचे. Sir. नीचे करो ना थोड़ा सा. Yes, अब क्लिक कीजिए. Yes. मैं कर देता हूँ. And here
Now it will be.
we can all see
One number is given first.
like serial number 13,
52.
name Chandana BR has been given lottery number 1. Then serial number 44, Chiru Chandan NR has been given lottery number 2. Then Sinimaiya Jain N has been given lottery number 3. Similarly, J Hitishi Reddy has been given lottery number 4. These are selected candidates. Sanvi Purvar M has been given lottery number 5.
Random is the selected.
Then Kanwala Dipti S 6. Tungashri has been given 7. Then Bhuvan M is been given lottery number 8.
Download this one.
Virat Sai S 9. Akshata J 10. And likewise this is the waiting list.
Now
And
download this.
we are downloading this RT lottery result.
That sent to the mail.
This.
आगे वेटिंग में आ गए आईटी एयरलाइन
Post number 5. Please see that this is the RT lottery result for the class 1.
एक काम करो, इसको लिस्ट को जो है
सर एक बार उसमें ही चल रहा है ना अभी लाइन चल
79 है।
रहा है। हाँ सर, these are the total 79 candidates waiting list till 69.
सेंड टू द मेल। मैडम प्रिंट लेके आ जाएगा सारा सारा टोटल पेज, सिंगल सिंगल।
Now we are going to start. Sir, next please. Kangesh.
आराम से अब इसका टाइम चलो
Okay.
आराम। नाउ वी कैन डू आवर लेवल।
Okay, sir.
Sir, please sit. So there's all the 79 candidates are in. Top first candidates main list. Now, what is the procedure? We will call that first 10 candidates because they have not submitted any document based on their application.
RT, what is the eligible conditions in brief?
What's that?
For RTC, it should be OBC.
Yes, I get that. Who will come under the RT? Number one, all candidates SC, all candidates ST, all candidates OBC, NCL, all the physically disabled, economically weaker section, and the BPL.
DGA.
All together comes under the RT.
Economically weaker section, how we are going to
That they have to produce certificate by the government of Karnataka. That they are coming under this list. If they will produce the certificate, this is the provisional list, not confirmed. How much income? Right? What government decided?
government is there.
We are not the authority.
4 lakh per annum is there.
Tehsildar is the authority. If Tehsildar gives the certificate,
OBC, NCL ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ OBC ಅವರಿಗೆ ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ಈ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕಲಿ ವೀಕರ್ ಜೋನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಟು ಬಿ TACP ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ 4 lakh 5 lakh
Yeah, वो नहीं.
so this is the first lottery we have done.
So second.
Now second, disabled person. Any physical candidate is there. Sir, next lottery is the disabled people according to this schedule. Please do.
There is a question.
And
सर वो इसमें सर कोई भी अपने पास अप्लाई नहीं किया है, डिफरेंटली अप्लीकेबल है, SC का एप्लीकेशन 0 है, तो ये नहीं होगा.
क्या होगा?
नंबर ऑफ सीट 1 है लेकिन बच्चे ने तो किसी ने अप्लाई नहीं किया ना,
उसका कोई
एप्लीकेंट नहीं है.
नहीं है. Second,
मैं इसमें बोलता जाता हूँ. Since for the lot number 2 which is differently abled SC category we did not receive any application. Because of that we are not able to conduct the lot 2. Then we are going to lot number 3, that is differentially abled SC category. Then this is differentially abled ST category. In this category also no one has applied, so we are going to lot number 4.
then go to the general. But SC, ST seat, we cannot deal with it. That we have to take.
In the lot number 4, differentially abled OBC non-creamy layer, one student has applied and number of seat is 1. So we are going to conduct lottery. Now I am clicking on conduct lottery button.
One candidate applied, one seat is there, so directly going to get one candidate.
So this is the serial number 1, M.S. Manwant Reddy, who has applied, is given lottery number 1. This is admitted.
Now 11 candidates admitted. Then that RT lottery, 10 plus 1, and one candidate for physically disabled. Next seat is no. Now the third is category 1. Final lottery.
Then differentially abled general OBC creamy layer.
And category 1, category 2.
In this category no one has applied, so we move on to lot number 6, that is service category 1 lottery. In this, the number of applicants are 7, which are in the following serial number. And right now we are going to conduct the lottery. 7 applications are there.
Category 1.
Category 1.
All they will allocate because that category 1 is the first priority.
So we are now doing the lottery, and as you all can see, this is serial number 1, Chennamaiya R is given lottery number 1, then CT Jonika Reddy has given lottery number 2, Dhruva KS has been given lottery number 3, Vamshika R given lottery number 4, Mekala Jeevan Kumar has been given lottery number 5, Hemashri KB
Now this 7
given lottery number 6, Samritha Reddy S has been given lottery number 7.
Now we will go to the category 2. Central autonomous bodies like banks.
When you are going to take SC, ST, then from
After that, if shortfall is there, we will count how many SC come, ST come. Now we will calculate for the shortfall. If shortfall is there, then we go to the
that is over and above 40.
If the shortfall is there, irrespective of that class strength, we have to give that.
Okay, right now, please pay attention. We are going to conduct the draw of lots number 7, which will be service category number 2 lottery. In this, we are having number of applications 6,
6 candidates.
and
All 6 will admitted, right?
right now we are going to conduct the lottery. Okay, this has come. Please see, this is the list. Kanala Hanish Reddy is given lottery number 1. Bhaushika Mude given lottery number 2. Venkata Guna Satvik Posha has been given lottery number 3. Mayan P has been given lottery number 4. Manasavi Nayak has been given lottery number 5. Partha Shrathi HS has been given lottery number 6. Now we are going to conduct the SC lottery,
Now SC lottery.
which is draw of lots 8.
Then state government. First SC, ST, OBC. We have to complete.
See how many seats you think I must release after you select.
That first we will generate. After that we will select the or the priority area 40 seats. Remaining we will give the waiting.
Please pay attention that there is 10 number of students which have applied for SC lottery, and overall SC admission provided till now is 0. अभी तक जितने किए हैं उसमें हमने किसी को भी एडमिटेड नहीं किया।
अभी नहीं करना है
नहीं एडमिटेड नहीं किया, इसीलिए ओवरऑल SC एडमिशन 0 दिखा है।
क्या?
क्योंकि हमने ऊपर जितने भी किए हैं
हाँ
उनमें हमने किसी को भी एडमिट नहीं किया है,
हाँ, हाँ।
इसीलिए ओवरऑल SC एडमिशन प्रोवाइडेड टिल नाउ 0।
हाँ हाँ वो तो जीरो दिखा के बाद में डैशबोर्ड पर कंप्लीट करेंगे हम लोग। अभी जस्ट लिस्ट जनरेट करनी है। यस्टरडे आई कंफर्म फ्रॉम दैट हेडक्वार्टर।
ओके
उन्होंने कहा कि ये प्रोसीजर बाद का है।
ओके ठीक।
Just
So-
all the candidates we have to generate the list.
So right now we are going to conduct the SC lottery.
This is the SC lottery.
The total number of applicants which have applied under SC are 10 and number of seats are 6.
This all the lists we will upload our website after the signing.
Will also allow you to process admission if you wish to simply view the lottery.
Only the lottery sequence. Sir, here only we note that single sector. In Yaswantpur railway के लिए single section, they got 1,600 forms for class 1.
Almost category 2 they will get it.
Category 1 fill. They will not next in the category 2 also.
2 also they will get. 3 also state government almost they will get.
Okay? You are about to view the category level.
So उसमें बोला है कि you are about to view SC category. The page will show you to allow admissions in this category. If you wish to simply view the lottery result, click OK and then close the page. But if you wish to process admission, please note that the SC category के पहले हमने जो इनमें थे वो दे दिए हैं, तो हमको सिर्फ OK करना है, फिर close पेज को close करना है. Okay, for this, in this message it is showing that the SC candidates will be given admission once the final admission has been given in this earlier classes, because there has been earlier seats of SC here in RT also, likewise ST, OBC likewise. So we are just going to view the lottery result. The final admissions will be processed later on. So this is the list. This is showing waiting list 1 because first the candidates in the earlier RT lottery and differentially abled SC, in them the server will automatically see how much number of students has been given admission in these categories once the admission has been processed.
SC category already 2 members.
Firstly, we are just generating the lottery result. Now the lot number 9 ST lottery.
Now ST lottery.
The total number of seats which we have were 3 and total number of application which we received were 19. So we are conducting lottery.
Go to the ST lottery.
You are about to view the ST lottery result. The same rule which we have for SC is followed in the ST also. So we are just viewing the lottery result. This is the result. Live chalo. We are downloading the ST lottery result. Now we are going to draw of lots number 10, that is OBC non-creamy layer lottery. The number of seats which we have for OBC non-creamy layer are 11 and we got an application for 55 candidates. And right now we are going to conduct the lottery. The same rule which we had for SC, ST is there for non-creamy layer. Once the admission in the earlier categories will be finalized after checking the documents of the students, then the final list will follow. Right now we are seeing just seeing the lottery result. That is why it is showing the waiting list number 1, 2 and likewise. We are downloading the non-creamy layer lottery. Then the draw of lots number 11, which is service category 3, that is state government employees. The number of reserved seats for RTE, Right to Education, then differentially abled, and SAQ, that is sponsoring agency quota. The total number of reserved seats are 16.
Yes, I agree. Now you have applied one seat.
Their breakup is like this: RTE 10, DA 1, SAQ 5. And so the total number of applicants we got in the service category 3 are 30. So now we are going to conduct the lottery. The same message will shows here because we have to first finalize the lottery for this RTE, differentially abled, SC likewise. So the result which we will be having is provisional. That is why it is showing waiting list 1, 2 likewise. So here we are going to download it. Now we are going for service category number 4, that is draw of lots 12. Service category 4 implies 4 state government autonomous bodies. The number of applications which we got under this are 19. Now we are conducting lottery for it. Please see, this is the provisional list, which is waiting list 31, 32 likewise. It will be confirmed once the applicants are seen from RT, differentially abled, and likewise. We are now downloading the list. Now we come to the last, that is draw of lots number 13, that is service category 5 lottery. The number of applicants which we get here are 57. And now we are conducting the lottery. Please see, this is the waiting list generated. Please take note that all this is provisional. It will depend on the number of applicants which are found to be correct, whose application are found to be correct for admission in the category, in the draw of lots 1, 2 likewise. So these waiting list numbers are just provisional.
All of the category under the waiting list.
Provisional waiting list.
Provisional. This all the list generated is now provisional, subject to verification of the documents. Because at the time of online form, we didn't ask any
Then
certificate.
this is the last draw of lots number 14, which is SGC lottery, that is single girl child.
And one thing also. that
We got a number of application for single of girl child is 14, and number of seats available for single girl child are only 2. So we are conducting lottery for this. And see, here we are getting this.
to seat over and above.
CT Johika Reddy has been given lottery number 1. Lithika H has been given lottery number 2. And we are downloading the list. Thank you all. This has been a very great experience with you all. We have conducted all 14 categories lottery. Now
Soon updated this list in our website.
we are going to upload this list on our website also and on the display board of the school notice board. Also, we have formed a WhatsApp group for the class 1 parents. We are going to share this list in that also. But please remember that all the lists are provisional as of now. It will be subject to the verification of documents, and then only any list will be finalized.
That is the main principle.
Single girl child. Single girl child हो गया ना? ऐसे क्यों? ऊपर डबल होता है वो, उससे ऊपर। ऐसे क्यों का उससे ऊपर? This is okay.
This is the lottery. After
You
that,
are
we
going
will
to upload all these things in your website.
No.
This you are not.
This is
You are
not.
going to upload
After
only
that,
final selection.
final selection and same weighting. 10 members in one list. Next 10 members. Otherwise, the weighting is they will parent will know my weighting is with 10 million.
That's what it is. Basically, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಒಂದೇ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೆಸರು ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದು ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 10 ಸೀಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ 10 ಸೀಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 90 ವೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೊದಲಿಂದ 90 ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಂದಿರ್ತದೆ ಹೆಸರು. ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಐತೆ ನನ್ನ ಸೀಟು ಅಂತ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
Okay? सारी लिस्ट प्रिंट करके लग जाओ.
हाँ.
Then the 5 members of that admission committee they will prepare the main list according to this lottery and the waiting list. After that we will go to the DC madam.
Thank you very much. This has been a very great experience with you all. Now we are going to offline. Thank you. This lottery has been conducted in the presence of 10 parents and the admission committee of Lords Committee, which has been constituted with the due permission of Honorable Chairman VMC, Srimati S. Lata, R. Lata, the District Commissioner and District Magistrate of Chikballapur District, also the VMC Chairman of Kendriya Vidyalaya Gauri Bidnoor. Thank you very much.